Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. On the menu today I have this beautiful kingfish stew. Kingfish. Stay tuned.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important.
So guys, here I have my kingfish. Now they were previously frozen, so I'm just going to use my napkin now just to blot them to get rid of as much as the moisture as I can, because you know when stuff is frozen, yeah, it's just got a lot of water content inside. But then, you know, it doesn't really matter. Just try and dry them out as much as you can. Now once I've done this, I'm just going to go ahead now and season my fish lightly. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead, watch a few of my videos. If you like my content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss when I upload a new video. Now I'm just going to get the seasoning and just sprinkle it all over the fish. Then I'm just literally going to use my fingers just to, you know, rub it gently in, because we don't want to disturb the texture of the fish. Or you can just literally lightly pat it down. When I've done this, I'm going to turn it over and do the other side. Now guys, when I put up that I use certain type of seasoning, if it's not to your liking, you know, you can play with it. Use seasoning that's to your preferred taste. It will just make dishes so much easier. Now once I've seasoned my fish, I'm gonna immediately start frying them. So in a pan, medium to high heat, you're gonna go ahead and add your fish. Now I'm gonna do this in 2 batches because I don't want the temperature of the oil to drop and then, you know, the fish gets all soggy and it doesn't really fry it, because I want it to have a nice coating. So I fried these for about 4 minutes each side. Now once I've fried this, I'm going to take them out and rest them on a plate and go ahead and fry the other batch. You see the fish a while ago, like it don't want to come out of the pot. Even though where did I try? You know, come out of the pot now. So yeah, just go ahead now and fry your second batch the same way, few minutes either side. Now once you finish frying your fish, remove majority of the oil. I left literally just a tiny bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead now and add all these ground seasoning and just saute them for a few minutes. You see that a while ago, you see the pot of smoke, yeah, I'm too busy to try showing the ingredients for the plate, the pot overheat. But make sure at this point, turn your flame down to a medium heat, because you don't want your seasoning to burn. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know, say, yeah, it's all about the frozen peppers. If you're not using frozen peppers, when you put in your onions and stuff, just throw everything in at the same time. But when you use frozen peppers, remember it's got moisture inside. So yeah, I just wanted to saute the rest, then I'm gonna add this. Now, you know, these clips go missing, but here what I've done, after I've sauteed my veggies for about 4 minutes, I went ahead and added some coconut milk. Yes guys, I lost the fidget. Now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna use the Grace cock soup and Grace fish tea, and I'm gonna strain off, you know, the seasoning, because this comes with noodles inside and I don't want the noodles in the fish. So I'm going to run it through my sieve and just use my finger to lightly press it through. Now I used 1 packet of the cock soup and half a packet of the fish tea. See them noodles? Now sometimes I find with the fish tea, you know, it kind of clogs up. I don't know, you know, maybe where I get the old things them over England here. Anyway, just use your hands and lightly press it through and it should work. Now put this in your pot and just allow this to simmer for a couple of minutes. Now after this time, just go ahead and add your fish. Now once I added my fish, I covered the pot and I let this simmer for about another 8 to 10 minutes. Now when I tell you that this sauce is just, listen, just trust me for the one, yeah, nice. Now I did lose another clip. I don't know what happened. No, I tell you what happened over here. So girl Willa things that she had a good video in her and thing and look back around at the camera and never press record, and I'm like, no, why them something have to happen? But anyway, what I did at this point was added a teaspoon of browning. Now it was just a little bit too dark for me, because you know girl and Evie and them something this, so you can add about half a teaspoon of browning, and if you like it this dark, go ahead and add a teaspoon. Just add it how you know, use your own judgment. That's how the thing go around here. Now for about the last, I'd say 3 minutes or so, I'm gonna go ahead and add my okra. Now this is totally optional. If you don't like okra, nobody put it in there. You know, so we say, you know, fish and okra around here. I'm like the thing for my body, so yeah, so we are gonna play with the thing around here. So just cover that, you know, leave it for a few minutes, and your kingfish is ready. Your stew kingfish is ready. When I tell you guys that this sauce, what them say is bomb. I forgot to use the word bomb, you know, it's bomb diddy bomb. And there you have it, guys, my stew kingfish. Now I serve this up with some gungo rice and some steamed cabbage, because you know, I mean, there's a thing about gungo rice and steamed fish that just work good for my palate, you know, my tongue. I don't know about yours, but yeah, some steamed cabbage and thing and the rice, and yeah, that's it. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video, guys. Bye.